What's up, guys? Everybody out there in the YouTube world. My name is Andy, and I'm going to do a review for you on the dash pack in-cabin controller by SuperChips. So I know there's a lot of Ram owners out there that are wondering, should I upgrade my truck? Well, I made the decision to buy a tuner and see what happens, right? So I'll tell you right now, you're gonna get performance and you're gonna save a lot of gas. You could do different performance upgrades on it. I did the 91 octane. It's the performance number 4 on the program, and it's been working amazing. All right, I have before and after videos of 0 to 60, just overall, acceleration. I'll also show you a video where I show you the miles per gallon on the freeway, and you're gonna be really amazed. So overall, if you're gonna get a tuner, I definitely suggest this dash pack controller. I mean, I could go on, but ultimately you guys want to know, should I buy a tuner or not? And the answer is yes. It's gonna cost you a little over $400, but in the long run, you're gonna see a difference. You're gonna see a difference that you really enjoy. So let me go ahead and show you how the tuner works. Alright guys, so I got it all fired up. So you just saw my intro to why you should get this tuner. Like I said, all you Ram owners out there, there's some tuner videos on YouTube, but I'm just trying to get as real as it gets. Like I said, I spent over $400 on this thing, but you're gonna save gas. You're gonna see that performance right out of the box. You really will. So as you can see, I got it wired through my fuse box right into OBD2, and it's very simple. HDMI display, and it's just 2 buttons with some arrows, right? You can change all these different display indicators. Right now I got intake air temperature, my RPMs, my fuel level. I mean, and that's the fun thing about it. You can play around with it, you can see what's up, but it's very easy to work. So for example, if I go to the home button, programming, screen layout, records, performance tests, data logging, diagnostics, etc. It takes about an hour to install. Take it out of the box, update the firmware on your laptop. If you have any questions, call the guys at americantrucks.com. They'll take you through the process. There's also a neat video that American Trucks does for the initial setup. But there's 0 to 60 tests, and I'll show you guys before and after. Like before I install the tuner, you can see the revs and how fast the mile an hour goes. And then after the tuner, you can definitely see an increase in performance. You guys are gonna really love this. So when you initially start it, it'll ask you what kind of vehicle you have. And then after that, you can decide what performance level you want. I have performance 4, which is 91 octane. You can go all the way to 93 octane if you can find it. So, but in summary, I know it's a little pricey, but you're gonna save gas, okay? Like you'll see in my next little clip, I got an average of almost 19.8, I think it was, miles per gallon on a V8. That's pretty good on the freeway. So get the tuner. If you have any comments, just post below. We can talk about it, whatever. But for all you Ram owners, I really appreciate you guys watching this. I hope this really helps, because I know doing this upgrade for me, this tuner really helped out a lot. So anyway, this just put on your windshield wherever it fits, stick it on there, lock it up, and there you go. So guys, thanks for watching. If I do any more performance upgrades on the truck, then we'll do another video. So we'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so first time, I got the gauge settings on horsepower, MPG, it's got the RPM, battery voltage. So first time getting on the freeway here. yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, that's 100% difference right there, guys. Alright guys, as you can tell, I got the tuner. Performance number 4. Look down here. 19.6 miles to the gallon on a V8 5.7 liter. Alright, so 0 to 60, shifting is a little bit more aggressive from first to second because, you know, it's thrown all that power into second gear, but overall I'm very, very, very satisfied. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let's catch each other on the next review, okay? Thanks.